What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I got the Big Joshy Swimbaits and I'm going to be doing a review on them, how to use them. So we got all of them right here. We got a ton of different colors of the Big Joshies. We got the green and pink, the green and almost like blurry clear, the all pink, the all white, and then the purple sparkly / clear. So we're going to be using an 8-ounce jig head. There's multiple sizes. I can't really remember. These might be one of the 2 inches, the 2-inchers, or something like that. It is a very cold November day. I don't know if we're gonna catch anything, but the whole point of really this video is educating you on the Big Joshy Swimbaits. I don't know, maybe the barometric pressure and the temperature and the wind is just right for the fish to bite. So first, we have to see how you hook the Big Joshy. So there's almost like a little circle right in the middle. You can't really see it here, but there's a little circle. You're gonna wanna stab right through there and then push it deep. Just keep going until it almost stops. And then you're gonna go straight up. And it's fine if you don't get it completely straight. It won't really defect on how it works. As long as it's not sticking out the side, it'll be all right. Cut the Guggen Squad crankbait off real quick. Now tie the purple clear sparkly Big Joshy Swimbaит on. And if you're wondering what knot to use, it's called a clinch knot. There's a lot of YouTube videos on it, so it's a really easy knot. I'm not going to show it in this video today, but I think I have a video on it. Boom, now we got the Big Joshy tied on. Now we're going to start fishing. Now we take the first cast. Not anything fancy on the cast. You can crank it any way you want, really. You can just do like the soft jig. You can just do it normally, just reel it in. Don't reel it in too fast. If you're fishing for saugeye, you usually want to do it slower. Not to where it's dragging on the bottom, but if it's dragging on the bottom, just keep the rod tip up. But it's really flexible for casting styles. And you want to change the Big Joshies up real quick. Fish, you'll need to change the colors. That's just what fish do. But like I said, you need to change it real quick. If you're wondering what's my favorite way to reel it in or motion, is usually just reel in, pause, start reeling, and do a little maybe tap. It's really simple. It's not go one way, go the other way. Just reel in steady to slow, and then after probably I'd say 10 seconds, stop, reel for about 2 or 3 seconds, and then stop a little bit, do a pull, and then repeat. You want to see the action of the lure. Got pretty decent. Well, y'all, haven't been getting very much action. Been fishing for maybe 30 minutes, and I don't think anything's gonna bite. Haven't gotten a single nibble. Nothing's hitting anything, like I said. But that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, thank you for making it to the end. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.